Hey, Stephen here from Wit Digital with today's Momentum Monday, and here it is. So, oftentimes as business owners, we're out there looking for a silver bullet or we're looking for what do we do next. But most of the time, the thing that's going to have the biggest impact in our business, we're either already aware of or maybe even already doing. We could just be doing it a little bit better or we could be doing it more consistently. So, the reminder today is what is the most impactful thing that you can be doing. And remember, a lot of times it's something that we either are already aware of, maybe we're already doing, but we could just be doing a little bit better. So whether that's just tracking metrics a little bit better, getting a little bit better on maybe call conversion, or just one of those little things that oftentimes isn't necessarily sexy, but it can be the thing that really helps us build momentum. So take a look around. If you're getting caught up thinking about, oh, what else is it that I could be doing? Think about what am I actually already doing that I could do a little bit better? That could be one of the most impactful things that I could do for my business, my team, my culture, my family, whatever that is you're focused on. Have a great day.